Hi, I'm Sarah Starr from Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. In today's session, we'll be focusing on a quick total body stretch that you can do anywhere, anytime, while using a chair for support. So let's go ahead and begin by focusing on our breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine, breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part to our 3-part breath, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale, belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale, belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale, belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice, beginning with shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around. Lift up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion. And switch directions. Lift up, forward, down, and around. And release, returning to center. Moving into a lateral side stretch, step your feet a little wider. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Reach your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Reach your right arm up and over to the left, lengthening through your right side body. Release, returning to center, transitioning into a lateral neck stretch, sitting tall. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Reach your left arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your left ear towards your left shoulder, gently leaning to the left. Adding a stretch for our wrist and hand, go ahead and flex and point through your left hand, spreading your fingers wide. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a stretch in the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. And release, and we'll return to center, repeating to the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Reach your right arm away and towards the earth. Relax your right ear towards your right shoulder, gently leaning to the right. Adding a stretch for our wrist and hand. Go ahead and flex through your right hand and point. Flex and point, spreading your fingers wide. And release, returning to center. Moving into a seated cat-cow stretch variation, place your hands to your thighs. With an inhale, lift through your heart. And on your exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And on your exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, sending the point between your shoulder blades back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath now. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round. Adding on, inhale, open your arms wide with cactus arms, rotating your palms away, lifting through your heart. And on the exhale, we'll bring the forearms and palms to press, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Inhale, open, lifting through your heart, stretching through your chest and shoulders. Exhale, round, forearms and palms to press, chin towards your chest. Keep going. And release, returning to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest and clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, creating more mobility and flexibility in your right leg. Pause and hold with your right leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel. Continue with this movement, waking up the energy of your right foot. Adding a core activation, pause with your right heel flexed. Keeping your right leg extended, reach your arms overhead, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. And release, repeating to the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. Clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee, stretching through your hamstrings. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel. Adding our core activation, pausing with your left foot flexed. Keep your left leg extended as you reach your arms overhead, lightly lifting through your lower belly, energizing through your core. And release, setting that left foot to the earth. Draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through top of foot, sole and ankle as you switch directions. Adding a gentle hip opener, place your right ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and slowly begin to lengthen your torso forward, out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your right outer hip. Lift your torso to upright. Keep your right foot where it is, adding a twist. Use your left hand to draw your right knee in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine. And with each exhale, gently twisting a little deeper, rotating from your belly, ribs, and chest. Feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer thigh and hip. Exhale, unwind, and return to center, repeating to the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Continue breathing deeply as you switch directions. Adding our gentle hip opener, place your left ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open. Or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and slowly begin to lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, breathing wide into your left outer hip. Lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Keep your left foot where it is. Use your right hand to draw your left knee in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine to the crown of your head. And with each exhale, gently twisting a little deeper, feeling a stretch through your left outer thigh and hip. Exhale, unwind, returning to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Continue cultivating awareness as you allow your breath to help you get centered. Simply noticing the breath as it moves in and out, allowing your body to relax inside the gentle rhythm of your breath as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath. Adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.